Hello all, my name is Melanie Sancheti. I'm a registered dietitian and a diabetic educator. I'm working as a bariatric nutritionist. Today I'm here to speak about post-bariatric surgery, what diet protocol is to be followed. So when the patient undergoes a bariatric surgery, post-surgery for the first 24 hours, the patient is NBM. That means the patient is nil by mouth, nothing to be taken through mouth. Post 24 hours, the patient starts with clear liquids only, which is for day 2 post surgery and day 3. Clear liquids can be anything which is clear, like coconut water, dal water, clear soup. Okay, for the first two, second and third, day 3. From day 4 to day 15, the patient has to go on to a full liquid diet protocol. That means the patient can have anything which is full liquids. That means chicken soup or vegetable soup, protein powder which is compulsory, protein shake which is compulsory during this stage. We advise our patients to take 1/4 scoop of protein shake twice or thrice in a day to start with and gradually increase the quantity of the protein powder. At this stage, the patient can also take fruit smoothies or fruit milkshakes, buttermilk, herbal tea, green tea, milk, okay, and tea coffee without sugar. There are a few patients who cannot tolerate water at this stage. So to avoid dehydration, we ask our patients to include either mint leaves to it or squeeze some lemon juice to it, or they can add a pinch of cinnamon to it. Post 15 days, the patient can start with a soft diet plan wherein the patient can start with either anything which is soft like upma or idli which is dipped in sambar, khichdi, rice and dal. Also, the patient can have soft fruits like chiku, banana, papaya, anything which is soft, again depending upon the medical condition. Okay, at this stage also the patient is advised to continue with the protein powder. The patient can also have egg whites, soft egg whites or chicken or fish at this stage, but again not fried. It has to be soft. Post 1 month from the surgery, the patient can start with full healthy low fat diet plan, which means the patient was eating initially pre-surgery something what the patient can continue post-surgery. You obviously need to avoid something which is high in calories, because this is the first 3 months post-surgery is ideally called as the honeymoon phase, where the patient loses maximum amount of weight. So you make sure that you eat healthy foods. We also ask our patients to include 2 walnuts, 2 almonds on a daily basis, 1 fig or 1 date on a daily basis. Also, we ask our patient to have 1 to 2 teaspoons of pumpkin seeds or flax seeds on a daily basis. So these are a few things which our patient has to take in small quantity, obviously, because the quantity is automatically reduced post-surgery. We make sure that our patient continues taking all this for the first few months as per advised. Also, to avoid malnutrition,